Okay, here is the engine, and that's not what we're looking at. The air filter is right in here. And quick and easy, all you have to do is just unscrew these bolts. There's 1, 2, there's 3 in the back here, right here, and 4. So we're gonna take those off. So we'll go ahead and screw it. All you need is just this tool, a little extension, and a size 8. So we'll go ahead and there you go. Okay, pause. Okay, well now I'm about to do the third one and fourth one. You could use a screwdriver. I use a long one. It'll be quicker. And there's a fourth screw right here. Voila. Now you can just take it out. Come on the other side. You can take it out. Then put a new one in. Since I already put a new one in, just a demonstration. That's all it is for the air filter. Okay, since the filter is done, I already closed the hood. Now we're moving on to changing the cabin air filter, and it's gonna be right in here. Okay, now we're about to open up this door. So you open it up. All you have to do, there was a little clip here, but I already taken it off. You just pull it out. You can use a flat hand screwdriver. Pull it out, and so now you just go like this and leave that alone. Close it back up, and what it is you could use your same tool, number 8, and then you have to unscrew these 2 screws down here. Do something. Tighten it up. There's one right here, and there's one down here. Okay. Right now, here's one screw. It's on this side. Now I'm about to take off the other side, which is okay. Here we go. Here's the other screw. Now I open it back up, and I could pull it out. There you go. Put it down here, and the cabin air filter is right in here. All you have to do is just push 2 fingers together like this, and then voila! Wow, look how dirty it is. And then just put a new one. Just put a new one right in. Push it inside until it locks in, and then screw everything back up. That'll be it. Easy and simple.